Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice Azure gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package and the XLT Luxury Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, which is always pretty handy, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we got that nice license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior with the blue stitching, storage, carpet interior, and floor mats. You got plenty of door space in the back as well, powered windows, you got USB-Cs, 120 volt cup holders, and of course you do get your normal storage below. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a fully powered driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. We got your lights, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 12 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, drive modes, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Digital speedometer and lane centering with My View, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto stop, surge, traction with tons of storage. We got your engine starts up, 12 volt USB and USB-C with storage below. We also do get our volume, playback record, comm screen, auto hold, all that jazz. I think I just said all that. Storage below, above, and we got our features for our powered sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a nice big infotainment system, which does have your audio, phone, settings, features, and apps, climate controls at the bottom, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. We got our audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Got your phone controls, your settings, phone, vehicle maintenance, all that jazz. Features of the vehicle such as towing, driving assist, and any apps you may download will show up right here with your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA48336, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.